So I haven't attended any street photography workshop in my life, and I'm glad that I didn't because I feel there's a very big problem with them. Now, you might think, what is bad in that? You get to learn from the expert, learn their techniques, know their setting, and also get to learn their style. And that is where the problem really is. The style. See, most of the photographers which we admire, the big ones, had a very unique style to their photos. But if you see the photos right now, which people are posting on Instagram or their website, it actually looks the same. They have the same layering technique, they shoot the same light which we have seen 100 times, and most importantly, they follow the same style which we have seen before by those legendary photographers. I understand why workshops are popular. They are exciting. You get to shoot with the photographer that you admire. You meet people who share the same obsession for photography. And for a few hours, it feels like you are actually making progress. Now, see, there's nothing inherently wrong with that. But somehow, along the way, I feel these workshops stopped being an experience and actually became a shortcut. People started believing they could buy confidence, they could buy vision, they could buy experience. But unfortunately, my friend, these all things are not for sale. Here's something I have noticed. Most people don't struggle because they don't know enough. They struggle because they haven't spent enough time looking. See, street photography isn't difficult because of the camera. It's difficult because the world refuses to repeat itself. Every street you see, every person you meet, every moment you experience is different. And no workshop can prepare you for that. You only learn by being there. See, spending time with a photographer that has an experience of like 15-20 years, you can't be expecting that he would transfer all his experience to you and you will just be an expert in that field. Now let me talk about what the actual problem is with workshops. Workshops often teach you how they see, where they stand when they press the shutter, what lens they use. But see, photography isn't about borrowing someone else's eyes. It's actually about discovering your own. If your photos start looking like your instructor, maybe you have learned their style, but you still haven't found yours. Now, let me talk about one more trap. When your photography stops improving, instead of shooting more, you just go and book another workshop, another mentor, another masterclass, and another course. And in this process, you just keep collecting information. But let me tell you, my friend, the information you are collecting isn't experience, it's just information. And luckily, street photography rewards experience more than knowledge. See, the best workshop I have attended didn't have an instructor. It also didn't have a presentation, and there wasn't a syllabus. It was just me walking, getting ignored, missing moments, feeling uncomfortable, going home with terrible photographs, then doing it again the next day. And the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and it keeps going on. That's where confidence comes in. That's where instinct comes in. And that's where your style comes from. See, street photography has always been beautifully simple. Walk, observe, be curious, fail, repeat. That's the simple process. Not because it's the easiest, but because there's no substitute for time spent on the street. The street has always been the real workshop, and it still is. And at last, I just want to say workshops aren't the real problem. Believing that they can replace the experience, that is.